The Apple Watch Series 11 smartwatch is here, and while it looks a lot like the Apple Watch Series 10, there are some important differences. First, the basics. It comes in 42mm and 46mm sizes in jet black, rose gold, silver, and the new space gray finish, along with polished titanium natural, gold, and slate. It starts at $549 and comes with a 3-month trial to both Apple Fitness Plus and Apple Music for new customers. Are you excited to take a look? I have an aluminum silver model with a purple fog band in the smaller 42mm size, perfect for smaller wrists like mine. Now, let's dive in. It has a new ceramic coating that's more scratch resistant and more durable overall. The battery life is increased to up to 24 hours per charge, and it comes with support for fast charging, and of course the usual puck charger. Pairing it with your phone is simple, and you can port all the data over from your old Apple Watch if you're upgrading. The process takes a few minutes, and you'll be up and running. You get all the features with Watch OS 26, which you can update on models dating back to the Series 6 and SE2 as well. This includes features like the new sleep score, as well as Workout Buddy, that provides helpful insights while you exercise. There's also a new Smart Stack design with hints, live activities, and more. Sleep score is really useful, a feature fans have wanted for some time. The score is calculated based on duration, bedtime, and interruptions. Get closer to your goal and you earn more points. It's another piece of data that can help you make improvements to your sleep quality, not just duration. The watch also has the new liquid glass design with unique watch faces like Flow, which moves along with you as your arm moves for a pretty cool effect. It also supports wrist flick gestures, like flicking your wrist to dismiss an app and go back to the home screen. It's really easy to use and it works well. The Ultra Slim watch fits snug on the wrist, and it's a welcome upgrade for iPhone users, especially those with a Series 8, 9, or even earlier Apple Watch model. Thanks to the slimmed down design, better battery life, greater durability, and plenty of color and band options to choose from, you'll love this slick new smartwatch on your wrist.